Hey guys, some of you are having trouble getting logged into Khan Academy, so I thought I would create this video and try to walk you through it. I'm going to use Ethan's email address and we'll just go through this together. Alright, so once you're into your Gmail account and you open up that email from Khan Academy, you're going to click on the blue box that says Join Ms. Lassiter's class. Right here, we want to create a new account. You'll do your birthday, and then we're going to do continue with Google. We will allow that. And from there, you should be in. It says that you've already joined my classroom. So I'll be able to post assignments and you can watch videos. If you're not understanding something, there's lots of videos on here that will reteach and explain things to you. I am new to Khan Academy, but I've heard really great things about it. So this remote learning experience is something new for all of us. So I guess I can learn something new during this time too. Thanks, guys.